Most people get this wrong. They think you can just click delete on each comment one by one. But if you have hundreds or thousands of Reddit comments, that's practically impossible. The surprising truth is there's a much faster way using tools and scripts. First, you need to understand that Reddit doesn't provide a native bulk delete option, so your best bet is a script or browser extension. One popular method is using the Nuke Reddit History browser extension, which works on Chrome and Firefox. After installing it, you'll log into Reddit, open the extension, and it will give you options to delete all your comments or posts automatically. Another method is using a simple script by the Reddit API. You'll need a Reddit account, a developer app set up, and some basic knowledge of running scripts in Python or JavaScript. The script can loop through all your comments and delete them one by one much faster than manually doing it. You won't believe how much time this can save if you are cleaning up years of activity. Important tip: always back up anything you want to keep before deleting. Once deleted, comments cannot be recovered. Also, Reddit accounts with heavy activity might trigger rate limits, so scripts or extensions may take time to delete everything safely. In conclusion, deleting all Reddit comments manually is inefficient. Using an extension or script is the best approach to clean your account quickly. It's a great way to manage your digital footprint or start fresh without losing control of your online presence. Subscribe for more Reddit tips and tricks to make your online experience safer and easier.